Yo guys, what's up? How is everything? And how is the year going? So in today's video I want to show you Wix website builder, how you can create a free stunning website using Wix. Guys, I recently found out this platform and I love it since then. It's wonderful and it's fantastic. So to do that, all you need to do is to sign up. Okay, just click on get started. Okay, so I'm going to show you what makes Wix a beautiful website builder and how easy it is to create a website with Wix. It's very easy, and it's something that you can easily do. Just few clicks. You're gonna see what we're gonna do right now, and you're gonna see how beautiful it looks like. So what you want to do is sign up. Okay, so if your first time, you're gonna create an account. So I have an account already, so I'll just click on continue with Google. I think I connected my account with my Google account. So let me click on login. Okay, all right, so I have my account connected with Google, so I'll just click on continue with Google. So it's gonna log me in directly into my Wix dashboard. So guys, if you don't have an account, just create an account. I'll leave a link in the description. You can use that link to create your account. So we are here in the it is the dashboard. Okay, so these are the sites I've created using Wix. Okay, if it's the first time, you probably will not see any site here. So how easy it is. So let's look at how easy it is to create a website. So all you need to do is just click on create new site. Guys, this is a free website builder, and I'm going to show you some of the features and what you can do with it. So I say you're gonna ask us this question: what kind of website do you want to create? Okay, let me say I want to create a blog type of website. Okay, so this is how easy it is to create a website. So ask us, do I want let Wix ADI create a website for you, or create your website with the editor? You can choose anyone you want. So for this tutorial's sake, I think I will just say let Wix ADI create it for us. So you see how easy it is. Just answer a few questions, and Wix ADI, they are creating the website for us right now. So probably wait and see what they said. Okay, what type of site do you want to create? Okay, let me say I want to create a business blog. Okay, a business type of blog. I say next. I say okay, I just choose other related niches. I said okay, let me say business. Okay, just I think business blog is okay. I'll just click on next. Okay, and let's see where it takes us to. So you say, what do you need on your new website? Okay, I need subscribe form. I want people to subscribe. Okay, isn't it? I need subscribe form. I need chat. Do I need chat? Okay, I need chat. I need to chat with people that want to chat with me on my website. So is that okay? Do I need an online store on my website? No, I don't need that. It's just a blog, business blog. So you just answer anything you want, and that's it. So you say, what's the name of your blog? Let me call it blog. Let me call it business hub. I think there's something called business hub. Let me just give it a name. Let me say true business. Okay, this is what I can just think of, but what you want to name your site. So I say true business. Continue. So do you want to import your image and text? No, I don't have any image and text to import, so I'll just say skip this one. Next. Okay, so it's a review and edit your info. Just review and edit it. So I'll just look at it. Okay, this is where you add your logo. So if you have logo, you can add your logo here. But if you don't have logo, I'll show you how to create a logo. Very easy. So we don't have logo. This is it. This is our email address, isn't it? So you can add your business email. I think it's the same thing. I'll just leave it the same. And you can add your phone number. You can add the phone number if you want. You can add the social link. So these are all the things you can add. Then you click on next and wait for it to boom. So you say, okay, pick a theme you like. Okay, I'll just click on let me choose this breeze. Okay, I think it's fun. So this is the theme I like. So waiting for it to load up right now. So this is how easy it is to create a site. You just kind of few clicks. So we're ready for it to loads up and create the site for us. So we're gonna chill for a moment. So guys, I think it's finally created the site. I said okay, we should pick our favorite homepage design. Okay, so we're gonna pick our favorite homepage design right now. So I'm kind of waiting for it to load up so that I can pick my favorite homepage design. So how do you want it to be? So we have a couple here. So just think on how we want our homepage to be. I think I like this part. You can easily drag it down to see how it actually looks like if you want. So I clicked on that one. I think I need that one. I like that one. So it said these pages are tailored for you and you can customize them later. So I can customize anything I want to customize here. So I'll click on pages. I think I need an about page. I also need a contact page, isn't it? I need I just need these 2 pages for now. I just need an about page and contact page. And let me see what we have here again. I think these ones are okay. So this one okay, so I'll just click on continue. So it's adding our pages, it's putting all the final touches, and boom, this is our website, guys. Fantastic, this is our website. So you see, we don't even need to stress ourselves, and we have all these things set up already. So this is our website. So all we need to do right now is to just check things out, edit all this text and all of these images we have here so that we can have our own personalized site. So you see that even if you don't know how to do HTML or coding or any other stuff, you can easily just use Wix, create a site, and you're up and good, you're going. So you're good. So let's look at this. You can easily edit this stuff, edit it here. You can easily change this image if you want, but I'm probably gonna leave it. So you see, I click on this template editor. I can easily change anything I want here. I can remove this image by clicking on image here, and I'm going to this place and it asks me, okay, do I want to remove it? I say yes, I want to remove it. I'll just click on remove and remove the image and add the one I want to add. And let's say everything here I've customized it. Okay, I've showed you how to customize it. It's very easy. Let's say I've customized it and I'm okay, and I'm good with it. So all I need to do is to hit on publish. Okay, so it's gonna ask me, okay, since I'm using the free Wix plan, it's gonna have this this wix.com / then your name. So I could just call it for demo purposes, I'll just leave it as website 1 as they have it here, but you can use whatever they want. Then if you want to connect your domain name, you need to upgrade to a plan. I'm going to show you all the plans right now very soon, but I think using the free version you're good to go. You just have this custom URL, and I say okay, I'm good. I click on publish, and it's gonna load up. It's loading up, and boom, that's how it's this. I'm waiting for it to load up. It's just doing all the necessary things, Okay, I think it's taking much time to load. Okay, it's loading. And congratulations, your site is published and live online. So if I go to this URL right now, I can be able to see my site. So let's click on visit site, and guys, this is it, guys. Look at it. You see it? This is it, guys. You see, this is our website and it's live right now. You can see this site was designed with Wix. You can it's fantastic. And you can see this is our business name, True Business. I can change it and put the logo. I can go back to edit it, and look at that live chat we talked about. Look at it, guys. Look at it at this bottom here. So somebody can just come to our website and click on it and chat with us live inside this site. Guys, this is fantastic. And there's a lot of features that I'm not even talked about, that you can do with this Wix platform. So it's fantastic and it's great. So I will implore you that if you need a website, all businesses, you need a website. Businesses need website, isn't it? Use Wix to create a website for the first time, then you can now move to other solutions. But this is fantastic and this is good. So I said I'm going to show you something. Okay, so this is it. Our site is up and running, and this is the URL. So when somebody asks you, can I get a link to your website, this is the link you give the person. Okay, so guys, remember, if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. It's very important. So let's go back to this place. So if I refresh this page, you're gonna see that our site is gonna show up here because it's published and it's live already. And I'm going to show you the different plans you can that you have here on Wix, and the features you can do with those plans. As you can see, this is a new website, True Business. It appears here, isn't it? So what you want to do is to create is to click on this icon here and go to payment subscriptions. So let's see the different plans that are available on Wix. They have a lot of payment. They have a lot of plans that you can choose from. So right now I'm using the free plan. There's a premium plan and there is business plan and the rest of it. So I'm kind of waiting for it now to show us so that we'll continue. So I think probably I probably would do that in a new video, show you all the plan you can have with Wix and and all that. I know they have a professional plan and business plan and all those stuff. So you can also come to this site. You can come to a new page. Let me show you. Let me say Wix prices. So let me show you the different plans they have. Okay, so that you can know what to expect with those plans. So I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm gonna be fast about this and show you what you need to see. So as you can see, you have these are all my sites, isn't it? True Business and all those stuff. So I can decide to say, I want to upgrade this site. Okay, so it's gonna bring it up here. So guys, look at it, guys. So it's gonna ask us, look at it, they say upgrade your site with the premium plan. So these are all the plans they have here on Wix. Okay, so right now we are using the free version, which is fine, which we can you can start using. But let's say you want to connect a domain name. Okay, you're gonna pay $4 a month, $4.50 a month for that, to get those features, and you're gonna get 1 gigabyte of space and 50 megabyte 1 gigabyte of bandwidth and 50 megabyte of storage space and all those stuff. So that is for the $4 plan if you want to connect a domain. So let's say for the combo, okay, for personal use, you want to just use this term for personal use, you're gonna have a custom domain name, free domain tier for 1 year. You're gonna remove the Wix ad, okay, and you're gonna use a free, they're gonna give you a free SSL certificate and all that. So let's say this unlimited plan, okay, for enterprise and freelancers. Okay, let's say you're a freelancer in enterprise, you want to upgrade, you're gonna get unlimited bandwidth, 10 gigabyte of storage space and 1 hour video content. Okay, and you can do all that stuff. You can check it out here. I'll leave this link in the description as well, so you can check it. So let's say you want to use this one, which says first priority support. That is a VIP plan. You're gonna get everything. Everything. You're gonna get 30 gigabyte of storage space, 5 hours and unlimited. So these are the plans available. You can also check out some other plans here. You have Business Pro, Business Unlimited, Business Basic and all those stuff. So you can check it out and know what you want. So guys, these are plans available, and this is how easy it is for you to create a website using Wix website builder. I'm sure you enjoyed this video, guys. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I want you to subscribe and turn on the bell notification bell button so that you won't miss any video when I drop them. So this is the site we created today, and I'm glad you guys joined me through the process. So if you want to create a website now, use Wix. Check the link in the description to have the link to use. So guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Please subscribe, and thank you very much.